Good morning, students. Now we start with exercise 6C, which is based on LCM. Now, what do you mean by LCM? LCM means least common multiple. L stands for least, C stands for common, and M stands for multiple. So least common multiple. So which means LCM of any two numbers, or it can be more than two numbers, is the smallest number. Least means smallest number, which is multiple of both, means which is a multiple of the numbers given. LCM of any two numbers is the smallest number which is multiple of both means common, and which is multiple. So let us understand this by taking an example. Suppose I want to know the LCM of 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6. Now I will explain you by taking all these words individually. Now first of all, multiples. Now in the previous chapter I told you what are multiples. Multiples are obtained by multiplying the given number with other numbers. Suppose the given number is 3. I want the multiples of 3. So what I will do? I will multiply 3 with other numbers to get its multiples. Like 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So I have to multiply this 3 with other numbers. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18. So what are these? All these are multiples of 3. And how did I obtain these multiples of 3? By multiplying 3 with other numbers. And I told you that the multiples of a number are infinite, because I can multiply 3 with any number. I can multiply 3 with 100. I can multiply 3 with 1000. I can multiply with lakhs, 10 lakhs. So the multiples of the numbers are infinite. So I have taken the first 6 multiples of 3. Okay, now what about the multiples of 6? Now I will take the multiples of 6. How? By multiplying 6 with other numbers. Like 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, like this, so on. Okay, so these are the multiples of 6 and these are the multiples of 3. Now first of all, I have told you what are multiples. So multiples are those which are obtained by multiplying the given numbers with other numbers. So these are the multiples. Now what do you understand by common? Let's come to the word common. So common means the multiples which are there in both these numbers, which are common to both of these numbers. So we look for the common multiples of these numbers. So as I look at these multiples, you can see that this 6 is common in both of them. Yes, and then again this 12 is common in both of them, and 18 is common in both of them. So first of all, I wrote the multiples, then I will look for the common multiples. So the common multiples of both of them are 6, 12 and 18. Now come to the word least. Least means smallest. So out of these common multiples, I will see which is the smallest one. So which is the smallest common multiple? So which is the smallest multiple of among these common multiples of 3 and 6? It is 6. So it means the least, the smallest common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6. So this is how we find the multiples. But this method is only suitable when I have smaller numbers, but when I have bigger numbers, so it won't be easy for me to find the least common multiple by applying this method. So there are many methods to find the LCM, and this is one of them. So what do you mean by LCM? LCM means the least common multiple of the numbers which are given. Now we start with exercise 6C. In the first question, they are asking you to find LCM using multiplication tables. So I'll take the first one. You have to find the LCM of 3 and 6 using multiplication table. So what I will do is I will write the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. So this is how you get the multiples of 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18. Okay, you can continue till 10 also. Now let me take out the multiples of 6 by writing the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 6 36. Now what I will do is I will take out the common multiples of both of them. Which are the common multiples in both of them? You can see this 6 is common, so 6 is common, then 12 is common, and then 18 also is common. But these are the common multiples. Now out of these common multiples, which is the least common multiple? Which is the least common multiple, or which is the LCM? 6 is the least. 6 is the smallest common multiple, so it means 6 is the LCM of these two numbers. Now let me take one more example. Let me take the example of C part 10 and 15. So I will write the table of 10 and 15 because I have to find LCM using multiplication tables, and this is how I get the multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, and 10 6 are 60. And 15, the multiples of 15 by writing the multiplication table. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are is 60, 15 fives are 75, and 15 6 is 90. Now I will find out the common multiples in both of them. So which are the common multiples? Like if you can see, this 30 is common. The first common multiple is 30, and then after that is 60. Now in order to find the least, means the smallest common multiple, so out of these common multiples, which is the smallest? 30 is the smallest. So it means that this 30 is the LCM of 10 and 15. Now I will take the second question, the B part. I have to find LCM using multiplication table. Now instead of writing the full table like this, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, I will just write the multiples of 12. So in order to make my work easy, like 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Then I'll write the multiples of 16 using multiplication table, like 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 80, 16 six are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, and then 16 tens are 160. Now I will see which are the common multiples in both of them. Like 48, first common multiple is 48, then the next common multiple is 90, 6. Yes. Now the common multiples are 48 and 96, and out of this, which is the smallest multiple? Which is the smallest out of them? It's 48. It means that the LCM of both these numbers is 48. It means 48 is the smallest number, which is multiple of 12 also and 16 also. Now let me take the C part again, 18 and 24. So I will write the table of 18. I'll write the multiples of 18 using the multiplication table, like 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 54, then 4s are 72, 5s are 90, 6 are 108, 7s are 126, 8s are 144, 9s are 162, and then 180. Now what is the table of 24? 24 ones are 24, 2s are 48, 3s are 72, 4s are 96, 5s are 120, 6 are 144, 7s are 168, 8s are 192, 9s are 216, and 10s is 240. Now what I have to do? I have to take out the common multiples in both of them. So you can see that this 72 is the first common multiple, and then it is 144, which is the next common multiple. And out of these, to find out the LCM, I have to see among these common multiples which is the least or which is the smallest one. So 72 is the smallest common multiple of 18 and 24. So 72 is the smallest multiple, which is a multiple of 18 also, and which is a multiple of 24 also. So 18 fours is 72, and 24 threes is 72. Now in the third question, they are asking you to find the LCM by inspection. In the previous method was by using the multiplication table, and here they are asking you to find by inspection, and they have given you 4 numbers. Sorry, 3 numbers they have given you this time. Okay, so by inspection, it means in this I will not, this is the second method of finding out the LCM. So in this, what I will do is I will see which is the greatest number out of that. So this 6 is the greatest number of that out of this. So I will start writing the table of 6, or I can say I can start writing the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6. So this 6, I will see whether this 6 is a multiple of 4. No. It is a multiple of 3. Yes, it's a multiple of 3 because 3 के टेबल पे आता है 6. 3 twos are 6, but 6 is not a multiple of 4. So this 6 cannot be the LCM of all these 3 numbers. Now come to the second multiple of 6. 6 twos are 12. Now is this 12 a multiple of 3? Yes, because 3 fours is 12. And is this 12 a multiple of 4 also? Yes, because 4 threes are 12. So this 12 is a multiple of 6 also, 4 also, and 3 also. So it means that the LCM of these 3 numbers is 12, as this 12 comes on, that is a multiple of 3, 4, and 6. So it means the LCM is 12. This is how we do by inspection. Let me take one more example. Suppose the B part says 2, 3, and 6. So what did I say? You take the largest number. The largest number is 6. So start saying, taking out the multiples. So 6 1 the 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. Now I will check whether 6 is a multiple of the rest of the two numbers. Like 6 is I know that it's already the multiple of 6. Now what about 3? Is 6 a multiple of 3? Yes, because 3 2s are 6. Is 6 the multiple of 2? Yes, because 2 3s are 6. So it means this 6 is multiple of 6 as well as the multiple of 3 and 2 also. So it means that the LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6 only. So this is in the previous method what we did, I wrote the tables of all the numbers given, but here I am required to write the table of only one number, and I will take only the biggest number. Now let me take one more example. Let me take the C part 4, 6 and 9. So what I will do, I will start writing the table of the bigger number, which is 9. Means I want the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9. Now I will check whether this 9 is a multiple of 6 and 4 also. No, on both the tables I don't get 9, so 9 is not a multiple of 6 and 9. So it means this cannot be the LCM of these three numbers. Now 9 2s are 18. Now I will check whether this 18 comes on is a multiple of these. Now I know that 6 3s are is 18, but 4 के table पे तो 18 आता ही नहीं. It means 18 is not a multiple of 4. 18 is a multiple of 6 and 9, but not the multiple of 4. So it means this 18 also cannot be the multiple of all these three numbers, the LCM of all these three numbers. Now come to the next. 9 3s are 27. Now this 27 is not a multiple of 6 and 4, so this also cannot be the LCM of these three numbers. Now 9 4s is 36. Now is this 36? I know it's a multiple of 9. Now what about the next two numbers? Now 6 का multiple है ये 36. Yes, because 6 6 are 36 and 4 का, yes, 4 9s are 36. So this 36 is a multiple of 9 also, 36 also, sorry, 6 also and 4 also. So what it means is that the least common multiple of 4 6 9 is 36. Now let me take one more example. Now let me take the D part of this, 8, 9 and 12. So I will start writing a table of the largest number, which is 12. So 12 ones are 12. Now is this 12, which is a multiple of 12, is this a multiple of 9 and 8 also? No, we don't get 12 on the table of 9 and 8. Now come to the next multiple of 12. 12 2s are 24. Is this 24 a multiple of 8? Yes, 8 3s are 24. Now is this a multiple of 9? No, I don't get any 24 on the table of 9. Those 24 is a multiple of 8 also, but it is not of 9, so it cannot be the LCM of all these three numbers. So this also cannot be the LCM of these three numbers. Now 12 3s are 36. Now I will see that this 36 is a multiple of 9. 9 4s are 36, but this 36 is not a multiple of 8. So it means this cannot be the LCM of all these three numbers. Now come to the next. 12 4s are 48. Now is this 48 the multiple of 8 and 9 also? No. 48 is a multiple of 8. 8 6 are 48, but it is not a multiple of 9. So this also cannot be my LCM of all these three numbers. Now 12 5s are 60. Now is this 60 a multiple of these two numbers? No, so cannot be the LCM. Now 12 6 are 72. Now look at this number. So 72 is the multiple of 12. 12 6 is 72. Now is it a multiple of 9? Yes. 9 8 is 72. Now is the 72 a multiple of 8? Yes. 8 9s are 72. So it means that this 72 is a multiple of all these three numbers. Before that, there was no number which was multiple of all these three numbers. So what it means is that the LCM, the least common multiple of 8, 9, 12 is what? It is 72.